when he was leaving Quba for Medina, so he informed the Banu Najjar. They were his ancestors in one way or the other. So he informed them that you should come and you should take me to Medina. So they were known for their bravery. They were riding their horses. They came having their sword with them. Yes, and covering Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam from all around and taking him to Medina al-Munawwara in a protocol. But when he was passing by one area, maybe Brother will show us, that is the area of Banu Salim ibn Auf. So when he was there, that was the day of Jummah. So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that was time of Zuhr. So he led the first ever Jummah there. And that masjid is called the Masjid al-Jumu'ah. At that time there was no masjid here, it was an open field. But now they have built up a masjid there. I don't know that Jummah is taking place. So now look, the first Jummah, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he prayed there in that place where a masjid is standing in the name of Masjid al-Jumu'ah. But no Friday prayer is taking place here. Here from the Friday prayer spread it all over the world. Why? Because that is very close to Masjid al-Quba. So all people they are coming for Jummah here to Masjid al-Quba. So in Banu Salim ibn Auf, he prayed the Salat al-Jummah, and therefrom he entered to Medina. When he entered to Medina, so everybody, he was trying to get the honor to be the host of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So everybody who was coming to the Prophet of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and requesting that, Ya Rasulullah, haza baiti, wa haza dari. Ya Rasulullah, this is my house. Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, this is my residence. And some of them, they were trying to hold the rope of the she-camel of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Da'uha, fa innaha ma'amura. She has been commanded by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to let her go and choose its own place. So the she-camel was walking and walking and walking until it sat there in the place where now Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is buried. So he sat there, she sat there where he is buried now, and there was his house as well. And then Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he was still sitting on the she-camel, but the she-camel was looking at one angle, and on that angle the eyesight was straight going to a house, and that house was the house of Abu Ayyub al-Ansari. To tell you another miracle, in Holy Quran in two places, a king of India, his name is called Spech al-Himyari. So Spech is not the name, that is actually the title of the king of that time, Spech al-Himyari. And that Spech al-Himyari, once he was visiting this area along with his people and his armies and so on. So anyhow, here the ulama who were accompanying him, they were Christians. So they were smelling the dirt. So then they asked the king, if you will allow us to settle here. So he asked them, but why? He said that here the last prophet of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will